beginning of the story is that before Hi'iaka went on this journey, she made a pinky bet with Pele and she said, I will do this kuleana for you and fetch your lover named Lohiau Ipo. What was his name? Lohiau Ipo. Don't ever name the kid that. You'll get hard time. All of my units will be covered. Hey, what's wrong with you? Manu, get everybody. And so, she made this bet and she said, I will do this journey for you. Wait. You love her. And she said, I will do this as one condition, that you do not harm my kumu, my friend Hopoi, and you do not touch her Lekua forest. Ibaina. And so while she was in Waianae on the Pohakea Mountains, the pass, she saw the smoke of Uahi rising from the ocean. She knew then and there that the forest of Puna was destroyed by her lava flow. She knew then and there that her jealous sister had lost it, and she had sent the lava to take care or burn the forest of Puna, the Lekua groves, and also Hopoi. This particular mele talks about that lava flow and the crying of Hopoi.
Ai, kaipo kilawea kaipo Puna. Kaipo.
Kaipo kilawea kaipo Puna. Bobo ike a.